Welcome to your quick HTML review. Today we're going to look at how to design simple HTML pages. Well, some of you might have encountered HTML page design, but for those who haven't, I'm going to walk you guys through a simple application. And I first created a folder that I called HTML review by typing HTML_review. It does exist, and in there I use the touch command to create empty files, and this will be a little bit different for the Windows users. Okay, so let's get started. Now, everything about a web page stems from knowing how to do or how to write HTML. I have opened up my editor and I'm going to quickly create a small document, and I'm using an editor called Brackets, which has a plugin that kind of makes me create a bunch of boilerplate code really fast. Okay, so there are a few things to notice. One is the document type tag at the top, and this is kind of important. We use the HTML5 version for this case here, and I'm going to change the title here. And the title here is going to be HTML Basics. That's it. You'll notice some weird things going on. What is all this stuff we put in between angle brackets? Those are what we call HTML elements. And we use elements to paint images on your page. Right now there's nothing, so I'm going to type out fast hello world here. And when I save and open this file using Brackets live preview, I'll see that my text is painted below. There are a few tags or things we put in between angle brackets to take note of. One good tag is called the header tag. It's the thing we use to define huge headers. For example, this is a title. Notice what's happening in the background. You can see that it's quickly painted. Okay, that's the beauty with brackets. You can live edit your code. Another tag that you can use is called the H2 tag. It's a level 2 header tag. We also have the H3 tag. This is a level 3 header tag. What do you notice about these? The higher the number, the lesser the size of font, and perhaps the thickness as well. And these tags stop at H6. This is a level 4 tag, and we're going to create some level 5 tag, level 5, and we shall also end that by creating a level 6 tag. Level 6. We can't exactly go past level 6. They stop there. I mean, this doesn't exist. Okay, so that's one thing you have to remember about the header tag. Another tag that we shall look at is the paragraph tag. This is a paragraph, and we do that using the P. You see the word P? It's short for paragraph. Other tags that you'll work with include unordered lists. Now, what does this do? Check this out. It does something like that. This is another item, and so on. We also have what we call ordered lists, and kind of similar in structure, but it starts with O, or to depict the word order. And ordered lists are numbered. This is, for example, number 1. And if you do the following, this is number 2. Okay. Now, there's many things that you can do with HTML tags. Another popular tag that I'll show you is, we're just going to quickly design a simple profile page. And this profile page will ideally just introduce a person, right? And I'm going to use a fictitious name, such as Sherlock Holmes. So I could begin my page with a header, something like I am Sherlock. And just below, I could open another tag that you haven't seen. It's called the section. I could start a new section of this page. A lot of the tags you will see with HTML, especially HTML5, are designed in a way that it kind of makes sense as you listen to the word. So a section of a page means a section of a page. So I am a detective. I live in London, England. Perhaps I was born. I could create another section and say I was born in perhaps 1850. Okay, my specialty is investigations. And we could end our thing with a footer. A footer is one of the other tags. For example, if Sherlock had a Facebook page, find me at Facebook. Okay. Another small tag I haven't looked at right now is a link tag. And with a link tag, you can, it begins with an A and takes in an attribute called href. Whatever we put inside of angle brackets are known as attributes. And some of them could be custom attributes or native attributes. And let's suppose we just go straight to facebook.com. What do you notice here on the left? Notice how it has become a link. I mean, I can click it and open another page that takes me to Facebook. So those are links. And there's a lot of stuff that you can do with HTML. And I hope to give you guys more insight into working with HTML.